Supreme and North Face, probably Supreme's most popular collaboration to this date. And in this video, we're going to be counting down the top 5 Supreme and North Face collaboration items. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. Coming in at the number 5 spot, we have the cargo jacket. And this jacket is straight fire, I'm not even going to cap. This jacket came in 3 colorways, a sort of beigey brown, a pinkish sort of color, and also a black colorway. All of the colorways slap, but in my personal opinion, the creamy brownie one slaps differently. The thing I like about this jacket is it's not too loud compared to other Supreme North Face jackets. It's not too loud, it hasn't got like a lot of colors all over it. It hasn't got Supreme going all over it either. Also, the pockets on this thing, fuck me, there is a lot of pockets. You got like 8 pockets on the front, I think you got like 1 on the back, and there's probably 2 like pockets inside as well. But regardless, this is such a cold jacket, and I like the way it's got Supreme on the peak of the hood as well. I feel like that is a cool touch as well. So that was a cargo jacket coming in at the number 5 spot. Coming in at the number 4 spot, we have the By Any Means Necessary jacket. And yes, this is a very loud jacket. Obviously, bright colors everywhere. You got writing all over. There isn't much Supreme branding, which I quite like that. I feel like Supreme branding is a little bit tacky nowadays. This is one of the most popular Supreme North Face collaboration items ever. I believe it came in 3 colorways, a red one, a black one, and also a yellow one. The red and the black one are fire, but if you're buying the yellow one, you're retard.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
The yellow one is definitely the worst one out of the bunch. Very cold jacket nonetheless, but that's going to be it for the number 4 spot. So coming in at the number 3 spot, we have the checker jacket, and this is a very old collaboration that Supreme and North Face have done. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it's the second collaboration that they actually did. And this jacket came in 2 colorways, a red one and also a yellow one. And I know I'm going to change my bias on this one, but the yellow one does go cold. Like, I'm sorry, it actually does. I know what I said about the number 4 spot, but that was a completely different jacket. Like, this jacket, the yellow one goes crazy. The red jacket of this is very mediocre, I can't lie to you, but the yellow one brings it back. This jacket also came in a black colorway. The black colorway is alright, but nothing too crazy either. It's still wearable, don't get it twisted, but like the yellow one just tops it off. The design of this jacket is so clean, I'm not even going to lie to you. I do like these types of jackets. I believe they're called anoraks. What I like the most about it is the pocket it's got on the front. I call them kangaroo pouches. There is no way someone can pickpocket you if you have one of these on. But yeah, all round cold jacket, very clean, very wearable, and that was the number 3 spot. Coming in at the number 2 spot, we have the bandana print jacket. And fuck me, this jacket is a grail and a half. I believe it came out in 2016 and it had 3 different colorways, a red one, a blue one and a black one. And this is the only jacket on the list that all colors go as hard as each other. Some days I might like the red one, some days I might like the blue one more. Just all 3 jackets are just crazy. This is such an iconic jacket in the Supreme North Face collaboration. By the way, if you are liking this video, please subscribe and let's get back into this. This jacket is what people think about when they think about the North Face and Supreme collaborations. And the resale for this is absolutely crazy. The red and the blue one go for somewhere between 3,000 and 6,000, which is very crazy considering the retail was like 300. And yeah, the bandana print just goes crazy on the North Face jacket. Such a goated jacket, I'm not even joking. Very iconic, and yeah, that was the number 2 spot. So yeah, without further ado, coming in at the number 1 spot, we have the world map jacket. And this is personally my most favourite North Face Supreme jacket ever created. It's just so creative. Who would have thought putting a world map on a jacket would look so hard? It did come in 2 colorways, a normal world map and a sort of like creamy sort of colour. And let's just forget about the creamy sort of colour because that colour is dead. But the actual blue world map jacket is flawless. This jacket came out in the same year that the bandana jacket came out. In my opinion, the most creative jacket Supreme has ever created. And yeah, just an all-round goated jacket. One of Supreme's most iconic jackets ever created. And yeah, that's going to be it for the number 1 spot. And also, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.